guys, I just wanted to give you guys an update on my garden. Oh man, I forgot my scissors. Let me go get them. Wait. All right, scratch that. Start again. I got my scissors. Okay, reason I got my scissors. My tomato has bottom rot, blossom rot, so now I have to cut them off. This one was growing so nicely and big, and now it has that. Well, I don't know what happened. I read about it, and it says that it's because it's uneven watering. I don't know if you guys saw the video of when I planted them and I put eggshells on it, which was supposed to help this not happen, but it's happening anyway. And it says it's uneven watering, but I have a drip system, so I don't know what's happening. This is my basil. It also has these little marks right here. I don't know what's happening there, but let's cut that. Whenever there's like a split right here, actually that one has it too. Let me do this split right here. Just cut it there. And it'll keep getting bushier anyway. This one has some black spots on it. Let me cut it. Let me cut it right here. And this one does too. Okay. I'll put those in my compost. Let's see, my marigolds are doing really good. These are my basil, my bell peppers down here. And that one's barely growing. Not too sure what's happening there. Ugh, got a lot of ants. Okay, let's see. This tomato plant is in a whole separate thing, and it also is getting this. So I'm not too sure what's happening. I'm just watering once a day. Maybe I should be watering twice a day. I don't know. Somebody tell me what's going on. These are my carrots. The other day I pulled one. They have like 3 months in here. And the other day I pulled one, but it was bitter. So I think it's just too hot already. I don't know if this is going to work out. I accidentally broke my onion the other day. There was a cute white spider living in it. But I think it left already before I broke it. But I was just leaving that to get some seeds, some onion seeds. This is my other bell pepper plant. It doesn't have any bell peppers. I'll show you the one that does have bell peppers right now. This is my other bell pepper plant. No bell peppers yet. This is my zucchini. Not sure what's happening here. I don't think it's, I don't know why the leaves are like this. I don't know if it's a fungus, because I don't think it's the, what's it called? There's this one that wipes off. I can't think of the word right now. Anyway, I've been cutting the leaves off when it gets this. But see how these leaves are coming out like that? I'm not sure. Somebody tell me what's going on. I have gotten 2 zucchinis out of it so far. This is my other zucchini. I tried to trellis it up a bit so to keep it off the ground. And these were my beans, but I haven't really gotten any, just this one. Let's see. Other zucchinis haven't given me anything yet. This is supposed to be popcorn, but I planted 1, 2, 3, 4. I planted like 4 or 5 of them, but only this one is taking, and you're supposed to have more than 5 to actually get popcorn. So we'll see. This is either kale or broccoli that, well, you know, I got too hot, so nothing's gonna happen. And I should take it off already. I was just using it like for shade. But I should probably take it off because it's either too bitter to eat anyway, and the animals are getting to it. I'll compost that. I got my marigolds here. strawberries, getting a lot of runners, but I was waiting for it to reach here so I could tie it down here, the way I did this one. No, that's not a runner. Over here I have a runner. This is a runner like this, and I put it here, and it'll eventually get roots and start growing some more. This one already has another runner. Maybe I'll put it here. My mulberry tree is doing really good. It doesn't have mulberries because me and my daughter come out and eat them on a daily basis. And my lemon mayor tree is finally getting a little better because it's under this shade. And here's what's actually growing. My beets are growing, and my bell pepper over here. It has this bell pepper, this one, 3, 4, 5. There's a couple. I'm so excited about it. But it's been infested with, oh, there's another one, 6, with ants. So I don't like to use any chemicals. I put cinnamon the other day, but that didn't work. I heard they don't like cinnamon, but they're like, we don't care. And there's aphids on this little flower, hence the the ants. And that's my, oh, let me show you my garden over here. My sunflowers are doing really well. The other day it was too windy and it actually broke my tallest one. It was like 10 feet. It was super high, but the wind broke it. Wah, wah. But I still have a bunch of other ones. My watermelons are coming along nicely. I have baby ones somewhere in there. And these are cucumbers. I don't have a cucumber yet, but they're looking okay. And then my orange trees and my other lemon mayor are doing good under the shade also. So that's my update on my garden. If anybody has any tips for me as to my tomatoes, let me know because I don't know what to do. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you later.